In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Wavebeam to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your JBL Wavebeam earbuds to your PC wirelessly. So these are going to be true wireless earbuds, and you will be able to connect them to any device wirelessly using Bluetooth. So all that you have to do on your PC is to go over to Bluetooth and devices. So press the Windows icon, use the search function, and look for Bluetooth and devices. Now go over to devices, and in here you will be able to click the add device option. Now set up your JBL Wavebeam and put them into pairing mode. To do this, all that you have to do is put them back into the charging case and close the lid. Make sure that they have sufficient battery, and now once you open the lid, they should be activated. You can take them out and you should see an LED indicator flash, either blue or white. Now they are ready to be paired. If you go over to Bluetooth and you choose the option to connect to Bluetooth devices, it is going to search for nearby devices and it's going to find the JBL Wavebeam as long as they are in pairing mode. Now sadly, I can't demonstrate this process on screen because I don't have Bluetooth capabilities on my PC at the moment. If you don't as well, then you will have to either purchase a USB Bluetooth adapter or make sure that your motherboard has Bluetooth capabilities or the drivers installed. And as long as you put the JBL Wavebeam into pairing mode in close proximity of your PC and you choose the option to add a device, they will now be paired up. All of the audio coming through from your PC will be output on the JBL Wavebeam earbuds, and you don't have to repeat this process every single time. Once it is properly paired once, they are automatically going to pair every single subsequent time. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, make sure that Bluetooth capabilities are enabled on your PC. You can try restarting it and also the charging case, so put them back, close the lid, and open it back up again. And if that still doesn't work, then try to do the whole process again in close proximity and make sure that they are not pairing up with something like your phone instead of your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your pair of JBL Wavebeam earbuds to your PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.